What is up? I am Crypto Mason and welcome back to the Crypto Mason YouTube channel. Shout out to the Gold Squad. We look for gold in every single aspect of our lives and we always find it. Now today we are back for a crypto alpha / market update video. We've got a lot to cover. Yesterday was a historical day for XRP because Elon Musk finally actually acknowledged and mentioned XRP verbally, which is even better. We're going to watch the clip. I'm going to give you my thoughts. We're going to talk about this election and the current crypto cycle. We're going to talk about Ripple and the politics. We're going to talk about a bunch of altcoin gems at the end of today's video. So make sure you're watching all the way through. Join the Gold Squad Discord. That's where we are all hanging out, talking about crypto alpha, talking about the crypto market. But let's jump in to the actual markets. We see Bitcoin hovering around 68,000. So we could see a $70,000 Bitcoin in the near future. As usual, we have meme coins topping the charts right here, the biggest gainers. We have ApeCoin being the biggest gainer over 7 days. And we've got Jupiter. You know, market is looking a little bit mixed right here. We've still got stupid coins like First Nero on Ethereum coming out and somehow entering the top 100. If you're not involved in meme coins, you actually are missing a giant part of the cycle and a very important part of the cycle. Because I don't know if you realized, all of our stupid little utility coins are not pumping and not making anyone money. But these dudes are over here in these attention tokens making tons of money, okay? And we finally actually unlocked the part of my brain that was rejecting meme coins. And I feel so free. I don't care what it does. I don't care what the utility is anymore. Of course, one day I'm going to dump all my meme coins and put them into solid projects because we all know meme coins go to zero or can go to zero overnight. But this is what the market's looking like. You know, you have the usual boring coins, you know, barely moving. Cardano, 0.42%. Avalanche, 0.11%. Just, you know, the standard stuff while you have the meme coins exploding. One quick thing before we get into all of the content today. CoinW is where we are trading. If you don't know yet, Fairdesk and JumpX have shut down completely, so go withdraw your money. Get your CoinW account. Go to the link in the description. It works from anywhere. And, you know, sign up. This is what it's going to look like. And you can actually join our private free trading group. And there's real signals in there, real trading signals. Very cool stuff. I'll show you right here. If we go into the actual patience trading group, the free patience trading group, you will see plenty of members already, over 200 members already. There's signals, there is market insights, there's scalp signals, there's live streams, trading live streams. You can see here's some of the profits we've made already in there. Very cool stuff, but signing up for CoinW gets you eligible for that. So once you sign up for CoinW, you head to the other link in the description and join the Patience private trading group. And then you're just going to type /verify and your user ID and you're in. Okay. We do have the crazy bonuses, $30,000 in bonuses. We're going to do a trading competition soon for 5,000 XRP as well. Or it might actually be $5,000 in XRP. I'll have to check. Let's get straight into talking about Elon Musk mentioning XRP because this is absolutely huge. We're going to play the clip right here in full so we can just enjoy this amazing moment. And I hope my audio works here. Okay, here we go.
Given how punitive the SEC has been towards crypto under this administration, do you envision the XRP ledger being incorporated into the financial institutions in the future?
Well, I certainly cannot speak to any specific crypto, but you know, I do think that the sort of cryptocurrency is an interesting and probably valuable bulwark against a centralized control. So, you know, this is definitely not an endorsement or lack of endorsement for XRP.
Right there. Okay, this is not a endorsement or lack of endorsement for XRP. So he is leaving that gate open, right? He's leaving that open. So this is proof that, you know, he does know what XRP is. He knows what it does. Shout out to this guy. This guy's an absolute legend for asking that question. And, you know, that's pretty direct. Like, this is exactly what I would ask Elon Musk if he was in the same room, right? Why are you not stepping up and being on the side of some company that's fighting against the SEC, the Ripple, right? Like, and, you know, this was your original vision. It makes a lot of sense for Elon to align with XRP. We've covered this a million times. This is the manifestation of what we've been covering on this channel, bro. We have been covering the connection and the, like, universal alignment between Elon and XRP. And now the dude has a full-on platform called X, right? He named his baby X. He's got Space X. We know the X coins represent coins that don't belong to a certain country, right? That's why it's XRP. That's why it's USD, right? So this is amazing, bro. When I saw this, I thought it was fake, obviously, to begin with. You can never trust the AI right now. However, it is real, and that is big, okay? Now, let's talk a little bit about what's been said about this. So Brad said that voters care about crypto. They care about XRP. It's not a niche issue. They want real policies that drive innovation and create jobs. Candidates that ignore crypto and blockchain risk a serious loss in support from a growing informed user base. This is absolute facts, right? If as a political candidate right now, you don't talk about crypto and you don't support it, you're losing a giant portion of people who care about this. This is huge. This is huge. And, you know, what does this mean for XRP? Absolutely nothing, right? Absolutely nothing. We didn't even move from this. We didn't go anywhere from this. And you guys need to wake up. Wake up. I can't say it enough, right? As soon as I started deviating from XRP, this is not the answer. And, you know, I'm being harsh now because a lot of you guys are probably over invested in XRP. It is not the answer. It will not make you rich, especially if you just have like 5,000 bucks in it, right? We are struggling to even get to $1 here. If you got, you know, $1,000 in it, do not think you're going to get rich. The real way to get rich in crypto is mastering the art of holding, trading, and building companies. It's a lot harder than just buy XRP and go to 10,000, go to 589. And, you know, I have to tell you guys the truth, right? Because I was brainwashed by this. I was brainwashed, and I'm still bullish. I still hold a ginormous bag of XRP, and I will be holding it until all-time high. And probably on the way up, I'll be selling a little bit off because this thing is struggling majorly, okay? Now, before we get into some altcoin gems and some other crazy news that has happened, I do want to cover a little bit more about the politics side of what's going on, because this election is extremely important, right? And it does have a lot to do with what happens in crypto. So if we go over here and we actually align the election and the halving over the Bitcoin price in 2012, you guys can see that once both of those events were done and over with, we pumped enormously, okay? This election is creating the craziest amount of uncertainty ever, right? You have so much uncertainty. You don't know if Trump can really pull it off. It seems obvious that he should pull it off, but nobody really knows, right? Excuse me, there's a lot of war going on, a lot of childish stuff going on, right? However, you can see, once again, in 2016, both of those events clear and the market relieves itself. And then 2020, once those were both done, you can see, boom, we pumped up Wasn't as big, you have to admit. It wasn't as big, but now we could actually be sitting right before that, right? The election is going to hit, and then it's possible that we start rocketing. This is why you have to be prepared, okay? Be prepared. So let's keep covering this a little bit. Ripple co-founder Chris Larson has just donated $10 million in XRP to Kamala Harris. And yes, I know that's the wrong name, wrong way to pronounce her name. Kamala Harris. Oh, Kamala Harris. I'm just messing with all of you, especially Kamala Harris supporters. He has just donated $10 million in XRP. 10 million. Insanity. And we have Brad Garlinghouse right here coming in saying, you know, Chris is allowed to support whoever he wants. We will continue to donate to both sides of the political fence because obviously Ripple is bootlickers, right? Ripple licks the government's boots. That's what they do, and that's why we love their coin, because it could actually go up. Because the truth of the matter is that they've spent millions of dollars lobbying and promoting crypto and trying to push it forward. They have spent millions of dollars doing that. So, you know, what has your favorite project done? Absolutely nothing, probably. What has Tron done to actually push crypto forward? Maybe some stuff, but some of these other projects are doing nothing, okay? Nick Carter says completely baffling. The narrative Ripple dumps XRP on holders has now become Kamala dumps XRP on holders, because obviously she's going to sell this, right? She's not going to just hold XRP. They're going to liquidate, dump on your head $10 million. Chris knows that, and he's totally willing to just give it to Kamala so that they can liquidate it and buy more, you know, stupid commercials. It's absolutely insane. Absolutely insane. So that's that, right? That is that. So Ripple's trying to play both sides of the fence so that the centralized company, Ripple, actually can move forward in America. Now, we got some crazy news to cover. There's an airdrop. There's some other very interesting projects I want to talk about. But before we do, shout out to everyone who has been trading using Sanji Telegram trading bot. This is the most recent company that we've been working on. We're tired of, you know, using these big venture capitalist ran companies and these giant mega corporations inside of crypto. So we built our own Telegram trading bot at Sanji on Twitter. And this, you know, recently someone hit 100x using this, which is crazy. But this allows you to trade any token on Solana, Ethereum base, no sign up, no KYC, no stupid any of that, right? This is just like trading on a DEX, except we are on Telegram. Very cool. So go check that out. Also, if you're not in DGen Warzone, this is our free Memecoin alpha group. So if you're into the Memecoin game and you just want to play around and have fun, DGen Warzone is for you. Now, we do have this crazy news coming out in the AI space and the AI crypto project space, which is blowing up right now, especially these like AI memes that are blowing up. If you want more on that, DGen Warzone. Singularity DAO is planning to merge with Cogito Finance and Selfkey. Look at that, right? If you guys are real OGs, you know that I've been calling Selfkey a gem for a very long time. I've loved what they've been doing for years, right? Same with Singularity DAO. And now Selfkey is involved in a merger with Singularity DAO. Absolutely insane. This is kind of similar, and they mentioned this right here. This is kind of similar to, you know, Fetch AI, Ocean Protocol merging. So this is another merger in the AI crypto space. This is I'm pretty sure I said that more of this is going to happen, and I'd like to see more of this happen. You guys can read, you know, the ratios. So Selfkey's token, they're becoming SFI, okay? Singularity Finance's new token, SFI. So here are the ratios that you get. And this process will be subject to change based on stakeholder discussions. Okay, so this is a similar merger. And I think it went pretty smooth for the Fetch AI one. And I'm assuming this one's going to go very smooth. So big shout out to SFI now for doing this. I love to see these guys putting their forces together. Very cool. Now, Grass, if you guys were farming the Grass airdrop, they are starting to roll out. So if you guys did farm that, go get your Grass tokens. I have no idea how this one is going to go. If I had to guess, it's going to go very, very badly because there's going to be so much selling pressure from people who want to cash in their airdrops. So, just be careful if you're a retail buyer buying that. Now, Flare has a surprise lined up. No idea what that could be. Then we've got Coinbase launching Flare to New York residents. Very cool. Very cool stuff. Now, a potential gem that I've been looking at is OG Labs. Okay, me and Megan are early investors into OG Labs. This is not a paid partnership at all. However, we invested into their project and helped fund them. This is the first decentralized AI operating system. So go look into this. I'm investing in as many AI projects, AI crypto related things as possible right now. OG Labs is one of those. And they just kind of, switched up their whole project right now. Very crazy. Now, the next a project we have that I am watching is Seedworld. Now, this is from Seedify, who we are paid partners of. Seedworld is where gaming meets creation. It's actually a brand new project. Their token is coming on October 23. Very active Twitter. They have the entire team of over 100 people at Seedify, and they have their own team of around 75 people. This is user-generated content gaming meets Web3 and the real-world economy. So you guys can go check out their website. They've got NFT staking. They're tied into the whole SNFT ecosystem with Seedify. They do have a very good resource on here on their Git book. Okay, so their Git book, this functions as their white paper, and you can read about what they have, right? So they have an actual game. They've got these game modes coming. They've got a whole inner economy here with the S-World token. Here's some about their token utility. You can see it's used as a virtual currency, of course. NFT purchases and upgrades, subscriptions, and the cosmetic shop. And seeing that they are focused on token utility like this could, drive some buy pressure and volume through the S-World token upon launch. They're very transparent with their, tokenomics, their roadmap as well. You can see they've already got Q1 of 2025 loaded up there already. So big shout out to Seedworld. I'm going to be investing on their TGE. I'm just going to be chucking in some money, see where it goes, maybe play their game, and, very cool project, okay? So you can buy seed roots right now as well if you want, but I'm focused on the token. I'm probably going to stake the token as well and see where it goes. Now, the other project I am picking up today is AxonDAO, okay? AxonDAO is one of our paid partners as well. However, I am very bullish on their token. 25% down on the month right now, but you guys can see it's had a good year in terms of 141% this year. This is a decentralized science niche project, okay? So this is one of the areas that I'm also investing heavily in right now is the DeSci, hashtag DeSci, right? Decentralized science. Working on literally decentralizing science. They're on a bunch of different exchanges already. They've got the AXGT token with over 20,000 holders. Lots of utility, of course, here. And there's an actual, product here for people to use, right? You can see right here, they're first DeSci SaaS project. SaaS means software as a service. It's an ERC20 token. It's been audited a bunch of times. There's projects on it. Very cool. So go do your research on that one. And then the other actual DeSci project that I am in or looking forward to, is WellShare Health. Okay, this is launching on October 23, so same day as Seedworld. So I'm going to be going in on both of these. We are early investors in WellShare. Altcoin Daily just did a huge video right here breaking down the project. So go watch that. And they're going to, explain everything about this project. However, WellShare Health is one of those ones that's coming. This is a health related one as well, which is very cool. So that is all we've got for today's video. Make sure you drop a like, join the Discord, make sure you're following on multiple platforms. If you're only following on YouTube, you have missed a lot, including like multiple 5 to 10x coins. We've been going ham in the meme coin space. We can't even go ham in the utility coin space. Nothing is moving. So we can't even do anything unless we know how to trade crypto futures, which we're working on with patience. Meme coins we're working on with Degen Warzone and Sanji. And then Gold Squad brings it all together and is like the multifaceted holder, trader, founder. We've been growing our VIP. We've been doing a lot of different stuff, a lot of building. Hopefully, getting back to pumping these videos out again very soon. But I love every single one of you. Drop a like and comment, and goodbye.